Yeah, good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. It's your guest, I'll be. I say, you get one matter when they pain me. This matter, I won't run now. This matter when they talk so, this table I won't shake so. This table that affects me well. No, besides I did for the table. I don't want the table. The table that affects me well. I beg. Make I talk like my people. I carry God beg you. I don't know where they foresee God, where they carry a beg person. Instead of say I use God beg you. Don't or do not no go any place where you are not celebrated. Na error. Big error, correct am. Abeg. Any place where you are not valued, when you know, I don't know why they speak English. Any place when they no value you. Any place where you know they celebrated. Brother, sister, no go. No be you kill Moses. You cannot be carrying friends on your head and friends they carry you for leg. You see this matter? It dey pain me well because I be victim. Mr. I be people wey know me go talk am. I dey carry friends for my head. I dey use cookie put am. Can't help the thing put for my head. As if my life depend on am. As if I no make friend again, I go die. When the matter red, all the friends they go drop you like bad habits. No be that matter I want run. Wetin I want run be say. E get some friends when me say they go dey tell you some kind thing when they annoy me. My friend, you know say na bad habits na I get. I no sabi visit. You no sabi visit, eh? When you stay your house, make we stay our house. No visit am. You get friend wey be say if you no call am for 1 month, he no go call you. You see they call am friend. No be friend now. Una be high person. No call am. He no text you, no text am. He no visit you, no visit am. Don't be by force to do friend. Go be like say you dey force yourself on them. Give yourself self-worth. Give yourself self-value. Some friends they do friend. They don't know na ass. You don't know your ass. Now only you. Onwanya. You shop dog leg if na my mama. 24/7. Piu. Now only you they go visit friend. Then do you. Sister carry sense. As my Igbo brothers and sisters go talk and carry sense. What you go say get sense. Your brain they pain you. Your brain they pain you. Sit down for your house, then cost you. Even if you no get what you go do, no food, carry rice, pour palm oil inside, put crayfish, put pepper, put scent leaf. You go make brain, go chop am. Get money, buy a rubber. Sit down, wide your leg, chop am. When you don't chop am, you go tired, you go sleep. No, they do on one, yeah. You be mogo pack. Some of us now just our calling, like person like me. I like visiting people. I like checking out my friends. But some people can't do them like say your life depend on them. Now your right to come to visit them. Now your right to check on them. Hey, who you be? We do not throw. Even if stay your ass. May I stay my ass. Make everybody outside Papa name. Like my people go still say, if now you they give me food, break the plate. I think when I see Akbororo video some time ago and say, if now you they give me lights, say off the lights, off the right. Now so you talk, I say off the right. You don't buy fuel, no buy generator. You want on your own. It don't make sense. And you when they come visit all the time, you don't get conscience. You say your conscience the devil. You dey feel to the bulls. Every day they will come visit you. You go put gate, go sit down, jeez. My friend come visit me. My friend, you know say na bad habit oh. No be say I no take you serious. I take you serious. It's just I no sabi visit people. I no sabi indirectly is telling you no get work. You know no. A polite insulting they no sabi visit people. So the one when they annoy me and the one they will come they use the word like, you know say my house sabi contain me. I no sabi come for my house. That kind of one na dey vex me. Indirectly they tell you say you be Johnny Walker. Say your house no dey contain you. Now wetin the woman they tell you? Sit down for your house. Put self-worth for yourself. That time don't pass. When we dey waka, you don't make sense. Sit down. Sit down. You no get work to do. Buy a goosey breaker. It go keep you company. If you get small pepper, buy fuel, turn up for your generator. Big brother they on water. Big Brother for jobless people, we agree. Washer. Before you know, night don't reach, you go make dinner. Yeah. That's what they consider use as okay, peeping, they go see you finish. Who not reach to talk to you, go talk to you. Now the truth I dey tell you. This table, I dey under. I never see friend. Like you don't go. Don't drive, no drive. Enter motor. Hey, keke. My friend, don't I see you. When you go to do you like this? Ah, my friend, you come visit me. Eye service. That time don't pass. Make use of your time. Find anything to do. You know, see what to do. If this time you're not busy, not me say we will come visit. Not say we not get work. You know, say you when you talk. So I busy pass you. Steady busy pass you. You know I busy. But it's just that now it's just my person to look at your friends, you know, visit friends, carry friends for head. I just believe that no man is an island. But some people go just say I'm like say you are jobless. That is why you don't get sense or you don't get self-worth or value. If you meet those kind of people, tell them say you get. Show them the other side. But if you meet somebody who say genuinely, them busy and you they fortunate, you have the time to call or to check on them one time or the other. It's okay, it's fine. But that one when they put onto your face, they be like say you dey jobless. You know me now, I know Sammy come out from my ass. And those people go look their ass now. No Sammy come out from my ass. When you reach the house, you come to look around. Read the house. I be live one for inside village when I don't know. The house be like my village chief priestess. No Sammy come out from my ass. You when they stay mansion, they say fine house now you do money. Pium. I hear some people go say, no be my calling. You don't see who waka na calling abi. But if you not see for my friend, this one you not see me, no answer me. You know the answer of me. If you answer me, police go arrest you. If you call me, my phone go catch fire. Carry sense. Use your brain. No let anybody use you. The conclusion be say, don't go to anywhere you are not celebrated. Anywhere when they run you down, no go. When you come up finish and you be the table topic. CNN don't carry story, don't hear. Rebecca come today, come tell me say, Jean do this one, but Rebecca come fly. Now they shoot bed, mama. Come shoot, I come fall for tree. No go again. They do you. Friends plenty. We know they are good friends, they are bad friends. Don't get me wrong. Go where you be say you go somewhere, they go appreciate you coming. Like, hey, my friend came to, like say na king come over. Ah, my friend come visit me today. Oh, you know, you go see the person say genuinely in the happy. Don't go where me say, like worry picky. They say for worry, if we go somewhere, we they look the person and get the house in face. We they look your face. If your face don't they welcome you, don't carry our bag, we don't run. Me Jerry. Yes. Now your face expression go tell me whether I go stay long or stay short. Now so then teach us forward. When you go person house, you go to look at for face, eyeball to eyeball. Go look at your face, you go look at your face. If in face they express, this one don't come again. I don't get body for talk. Carry your bag, go your house. Go on generator. Go sleep. They useful to yourself, to your community. Not be say if you visit me, say na talk. You must talk about person. There are plenty things to talk. My friends, they know me. I know they talk about person. They talk about my story. Talk about what I want to achieve, what I don't achieve, what I won't do. My friends, they know me. I know this. I they challenge any person. If you know, say I don't call your ass, can't talk about one person. I bed, mama shoot person, and they can't carry him, make her can't fly. And so they can't sit in for routine. I can't run. And so they can't see Amaka talk and say I lie. I don't get time. Because I dey feel say my life na handful. I get plenty things to talk. They talk about waiting, nothing no consign me. So I not say anything go make person come visit. I go visit person go make and they irritated because not to share ideas, not to think. I'm a thinking tank. Not to think. Ideas plenty for this head. Ah, babe, I think say if we do this thing, go make sense. You know. So, like I say. No go any place when they know they appreciate you, when they know get your value, when they know your value. No go again. Sit down for your house. I'm out.